Obtain the formula for the electric field due to a long thin wire of uniform linear charge density E without using Gauss law, right? So hint is given, use Coulomb's law directly and evaluate the necessary integral. So first of all, see, this is our that long thin wire of uniform linear charge density, it is lambda. Now here we have one point, equatorial point, right? So this is length and this one is x. It is making theta angle. So first we are finding electric field for this. So E is equal to k q upon r square, simple. So r square here is here, this one r. So E is equal to k is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, q is charge density, so that is lambda into dx, the smaller length, right, upon r square, that is we can write L square plus x square. So this is our formula, but still here we have two components, sine and cos. Similar we can also draw this line also. So sine will gets cancelled out because both are opposite, both are in this left hand side and right hand side direction. So these are sine thetas. So sine thetas gets cancelled out, we are left with only cos theta. So I have to write cos theta here, right? So that is cos theta. Now see tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent, so x upon L. So here x is equal to L tan theta, right? Now dx is equal to dx upon with respect to d theta, right? So is equal to L sec square theta d theta, because tan theta differentiation is sec square theta d theta. So that is our dx, right? Now here by putting these values into this equation, E is equal to, see, x L theta. So this will become L square plus x square. So L square plus x square will become see L square plus L square tan square theta. L square common, 1 plus tan square theta is again sec square theta, right? By putting these values into this equation, E 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 lambda dx is L sec square theta d theta upon L square plus x square, here it is L square sec square theta into cos theta. So sec square theta gets cancelled out, so L1 gets cancelled out. So we are left with only this equation, which is lambda upon lambda cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into L. So now currently this is only our equation. Now lambda cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into L. So electric field we have lambda cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into L. Now we have to integrate, because this is only for x direction, x distance. So integrating both the sides, lambda upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into L are constant. Integration of sine theta d theta, here also remains d theta, right, from earlier. Now this is from pi by 2 to pi by 2, because negative to positive. So is equal to sorry, here we have to write cos, right? Actually it is cos theta. So integration, if we write integration, then this is cos theta. Lambda upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into L, now sin theta. So cos integration is sin theta, right? So sin differentiation is cos theta, cos differentiation is minus sin theta, but cos integration is plus sin theta. So sin theta pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. Now sin 90 plus 1 and sin minus 90 minus 1. So is equal to lambda upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into L sin pi by 2 upper limit. So 1 minus sin minus pi by 2 is minus 1. So here that is 2 lambda upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into L, that is lambda upon 2 pi epsilon 0 into L. So this is the electric field for that long thin wire of uniform linear charge density E without using Gauss law.